Alright, howdy y'all. Update on this weekend, because I don't know if y'all live in Maryland or not, but the weather is going to be quite interesting. Oh shit, hold on, I get enough water here. One moment. So with the cruise coming up this weekend, the weather's going to be a little rainy possibly, so it may get postponed till next weekend. So that's kind of the update on that. If it rains, it's going to be pushed back to next weekend, which I'm 50-50 on, because if we do that, then I can get more equipment ready and I can make the video a little more productive, if you catch my drift there. So yeah. And if it happens this weekend, Max said he will join, because he wants to screw around with the nice cars, as he says. And yes, I know I shouldn't be spraying my chain, but we're going to be redoing it anyways. So don't worry about it. Alright, let's fill the bucket up. I got my soap here. Hold on a minute, I gotta get my fancy smashy soap mix here. It's my custom mix. But anyways, get a nice little spray there. You gotta get some of that bird shit off there. I don't know if y'all ever had that problem. You ever deal with bird shit on your bike? It's more annoying than fucking dealing with cars and bird shit. Alright, ooh, it even smells nicer too. Oh my god, I love the smell of that. Oh, I didn't even spray the front. My dumbass. Give me one moment. But anyways, so that's the plan. We're gonna have to deal with the weather, see how it goes. I will keep updates as long as you follow me on Instagram. I'll tag it at the end of the video, of course. And that's gonna be my update. So, squeeze by here. Sponge nice wet here. Don't worry, it's a good sponge, not one we put on the wheels. Oh, and probably asking why we're using the helmet cam is because I cannot find my chest strap again. So, you make do with what you got. Alright, let's get some scrubbing in here, because there is some gunk on here that needs to be all cleaned up. Let me just clean that off there. Oh, so silky smooth. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I know, it was dropped once by me, and at least once by the previous owner. I'm gonna say at least once. Isn't that what they said? Regular car reviews said thrice or something? Yeah, let's get all this cleaned up here. I'll get back to that, as there's more dirt on the back than there's the front. Oh, it looks so much better now. All that gunk shit off of there. But yeah, and then the weekend after we do, one second here, the weekend after we do the cruise, we are going to try and attend Cars of Coffee over at Kate's. Once again, weather permitting. No problem riding my bike in the rain, just do not prefer to. Alright, there we go. Let's get all that scrubbed off there. Alright, that's scrubbed, that's scrubbed, that's scrubbed. Alright, now we get the frame part. And the part where the actually shit builds up. I'll have to get a wheel scrubber or something soon. And no one give me shit for humming that song. Deal with it. It's an old jaunty tune. That should be good. Scrub all that off. Scrub there. Alright, now we'll hose this thing off here. Alright, I think that should be just about right. let's clean all this off, and then we'll put a nice coat of chain wax on here. All right. I know, it's ran a car there. Car needs a bath too. It's been sitting in pollen this whole time. Here we go. Keep all that covered. That should do it. Let's get this bad boy dried off, and then we'll be good to go. Oh, excuse me. We'll try and have this posted up quickly. I apologize. Something not a whole lot of people think about it is after they wash their bikes, they don't really dry them. I came across that one time. I was like, really? You're just gonna ride that wet? It's all good, man. All right, man. I don't enjoy running around that wet. I like to get this thing painted. That'd be really cool. And I already have a paint job idea. I have a few actually. I'll probably post them up one day, see what we want for opinions, see what y'all think we should do. Alright. And I'll do the rest later. Y'all got the gist of the update for this weekend, for the cruise. If y'all are in the area, come down. It's the Facebook event is called Ellicott Run 2018. Go check it out. We'd love to have more riders join, as I know it's going to be a bunch of cars, plus the more people the better, as we'll be supporting a charity. So please go check it out. I will go ahead and put the link in the description below. And thanks again. Have a good one.